Today I'm going to show you how to send password-protected Outlook attachments. This is a great way to add an extra layer of security when sharing sensitive files via email, ensuring that only recipients with the correct password can access your documents. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait a moment for your emails to fully load. This ensures you have access to all the tools and features you'll need to compose and send your password-protected attachment. Once everything is loaded, click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you'll be able to craft your message and attach your secured file. Now here's where the password protection comes into play. Before we proceed, it's important to note that this method requires WinRAR software to be installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, you'll need to download and install it first for this to work properly. With that in mind, head over to the Insert tab in your email composition window. Look for the Attach File drop-down menu located on the top left part of your screen and click on it. A drop-down option will appear, and from there select Browse this PC. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your computer's folders and files. Browse through your files and locate the document you wish to attach and protect with a password. Once you've found it, right-click on the file. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Add to Archive. This is the WinRAR feature that allows you to compress and secure your file. A WinRAR window will now appear, presenting you with various parameters you can set for your compressed attachment. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Set Password option within this window and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the password you wish to use for your attachment. Make sure you type it twice for verification purposes, ensuring there are no typos that could lock you out later. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, proceed with the archiving process by clicking OK. WinRAR will compress your file and apply the password protection. You'll see your file is now compressed into an archive format. Now select this newly compressed file and click on Insert. The password-protected file will be added to your email, ready to be sent securely to your recipient. Just remember to share the password with your recipient through a separate, secure channel so they can actually open the file when they receive it. And there you have it. You've successfully created and attached a password-protected file in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.